Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this everyday glam look for you. It was super simple. I haven't done a look like this in a really long time, so I thought I'd just update it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my lids using my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I'm just going to take a bit of that on my finger and just blend that onto my lid. Then going in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to set this using Tempera, taking that on my Morphe by Jaclyn JH30 brush. All the way up to the brow bone. Now for my transition shade, I'm going to be going in with Golden Ochre on my Morphe by Jaclyn JH36 blending brush. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in my crease and outer V. So next, using that same brush, I'm going to be going in with Raw Sienna to darken that up a little bit. While I'm blending it out, I like to just bring it under my eyelid lightly, just so that when I actually get to my under eye, it's already kind of blended out nicely. Next, going in with Realgar, just to warm up this a little bit. And I'm going to be taking this color on my Morphe by Jaclyn JH37 brush. Same placement for this one as well. And you can always go in with that previous brush and that Raw Sienna. And just kind of blend this color out. Also taking that first big fluffy brush, make sure the brow bone is not getting covered with this color. We want it to be lighter. And then using an even smaller brush, this is my Morphe, I don't know the number, Morphe something crease brush. It's just a more dense crease brush. It's shorter and denser. I'm going to be picking up Cyprus Umber and really focusing that on the outer V, but blending it a bit into the crease. Going back in with that Realgar brush. Just making sure that this is blended out seamlessly. So now on my lid, going back over with Tempera on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 smudger brush. I'm just gonna pack this on the lid and blend it out. And going on top of that with Golden Ochre, just to give it more of a tan color instead of a white pink. And before I finish the shadow, I'm going to be going in with some eyeliner, and I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakerie's Black Milk Gelato. Applying this using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 eyeliner brush. And just go along my lash line lightly. So once you get it almost all the way there, I'm going to go in with a small smudger brush. This is my Morphe by Jaclyn JH42. Picking up some of that Cyprus Umber and just smudging it along that liner. Just right there, making sure it's blended out into that color. You can even pick up that brush you used for it. Just blend that up. And then because we blended the colors under our eyes, the under eye shadow's already done. For my eyelashes, I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash's Lil Miss Flex. They are falling out a little bit, so good for me. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara, top and bottom. Oh god, I got it on my face. For my inner corner, I'm going to be going in with Primavera. And I'm going to take this on my Sigma Inner Corner E46 brush. I'm also going to pop this on my brow bone as well. Now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Hoola bronzer on my Bow Bell B4 brush. So just pinching that brush, going up and down the sides of my nose for a light contour, across and underneath. And then going in with a fluffy brush that I use to set underneath my eyes, blending that out. For my blush, I'm going to be going in with Natasha Denona's In Bloom palette. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19, mixing these top two. And then for highlight, going in with MAC's Hyper Real Glow. I'm going to pop on this first shade right on my cheekbones, using this long, loose Morphe brush. Then going in on the tip of my nose. Bridge. And Cupid's bow. And then balming out the lips. I'm going to go in and line my lips using MAC's Brick Lip Pencil. And filling this in with Natasha Denona's Matte Liquid Lipstick in AKA. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully you guys like this everyday glam. Of course, you can switch up the lip color if you want it to be a little bit more neutral, but felt like going bold because I haven't done that in a while. Anyway, thank you guys again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.